Testing, testing. This is working. Can you test it out?
Hello, hello.
I think it is working. Hey y'all, this is John and
Abby.
we're here in Guam, transiting through. We're heading to the Manila, and then we're gonna be heading over to Italy. So stay tuned. It's gonna be on this blog. We're gonna check this out. We're gonna check out all the places we're gonna go. And Abby here is really, really hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm craving for some chicharon bulaklak.
Chicharon bulaklak. And I think I know the place to go. Then we're gonna go to Ben and Yan's. They have all the chicharon bulaklak, and I'm feeling sisig too. You want some sisig? Traditional or some crispy sisig?
Some crispy sisig.
We're here on a layover, and we're gonna go on a food trip. So come with us. We're gonna head over to Ben and Yan's. We're gonna try this place out. We're already parked up in front of the restaurant, actually, because Abby's just been dreaming about this since we left Saipan. So, and yeah, bye.
Bye.
Slow. Hey, what's up, y'all? So here is our trip to, where are we going? Italy, on our layover to Dubai. So right now we're at Naia Terminal 3. We're at the lounge, the Marhaba Lounge right now. And check us out. Check us for a trip. Abby's first time in Europe. Our first time in Dubai. So here we go. Are you excited?
Yep.
I'm excited too. So here we go.
Let's go. Sherry, I love you so much.
about Emirates Airlines. Hopefully it doesn't affect our flight. But in other news, I got this chicken pesto sandwich right here, dude. Look at that thing. Abby said it was nasty. Marhaba Lounge, if you're gonna sponsor us, sponsor me, not her. Hey, baby. She did it for the vlog. One, two, go. Nine. Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you so much. Good.
Where do you want to
I'll sit on it. Hey, what's up, y'all? So we're now here inside Emirates business class. Abby here, excited. Oh, light. She likes these windows. She's great. So the service at Emirates has been really great thus far. We haven't even flown yet, but their service has been really great. So Abby loves it. She had 3 or 4 bubblies already, as you guys can tell. So we're on our flight. We're on our flight to Dubai. So stay tuned. Check out what. There's not. That's not sponsored. Now we're heading to Dubai, and our layover is 15 hours. We have the Dubai Connect. That means that Emirates provided complimentary hotel and airport transfers until our flight later on, early morning. So check it out. I'll give all the information here later. Now me and I are just gonna chill and relax on the bed. Alright, so we are going to have some breakfast. Continental breakfast. Seasonal fruits, Bertram Wesley. I know what Abby's gonna get. Abby's gonna get Gina mango juice. Is it Gina or Gino? Gino mango juice. And she's alright, let's try the breakfast.
What am I gonna say? We're gonna do it as a